Endo means in or within. So endothermic is a type of reaction, a chemical reaction or a process in which heat is taken in from the environment. So endothermic reactions or processes tend to be cold, or they feel cold. Endocytosis is, well, cyto is cell, so this means into or in or within the cell. So endocytosis is where a cell, like a bacteria, or a white blood cell or something, will surround another cell and basically ingest it. Endoscopy is basically a process where they run a camera down into your stomach to look at what's going on in your stomach. So scope to see, endo is within, so to see within. Epi means upon or among. So epidermis is the outer layer of skin. So derm is skin. So epidermis is your outer layer of skin. Epidemic refers to upon or among the people. So it's something, an epidemic is something that is very common or prevalent in one area or among one group of people. And then an epilogue is a note at the end of a story or at the end of a book. Eu means true or good. So eukaryotic, these are cells that have true nuclei. So euphemism is a good way of saying something that may not be so good. And then euphoria is an intense good feeling. And exo or ex means outside or away from. So an exoskeleton is a skeleton that's on the outside, like insects and crustaceans. Exothermic is a reaction that gives off heat, or a process that gives off heat. So an exothermic process will actually release heat. Exterior is like the outside of a house or a car or something like that. And then exit is basically an exit. It's a door that leads out of a room or out of a building. And fer means to carry. So transfer means to carry across. Conifer is a cone-bearing tree or plant. Ferry refers to a boat that carries cars from one side of a body of water to another. And then an aquifer refers to carrying water. So an aquifer is underground water storage, usually in sandstone, where groundwater is stored.